Have you ever dreamed of filling your Roblox garden with the rarest, most unique pets out there? Imagine your garden bursting with life, color, and adorable creatures that make every visit exciting. Picture logging in to find the adorable Candy Blossom or the clever raccoon waiting for you, ready to help you on your gardening journey. These aren't just ordinary pets, they're the ones everyone wants. These pets aren't just cute, they're your secret weapon. They help you earn more coins, collect rare items, and grow your garden faster than ever before. With their help, you'll see your garden transform in no time. But let's be honest, getting these rare pets can feel almost impossible sometimes. You grind for hours, planting and harvesting, only to see other players showing off pets you can't seem to find no matter what you do. It's frustrating, and you might start to think you need to spend tons of Robux or play nonstop just to keep up. The struggle is real, and it can take the fun out of the game. But here's the good news. You don't need to spend a fortune or lose all your free time to get ahead. There's a smarter way to play. There are secret codes, clever tricks, and simple scripts that can totally change your game. These hidden gems are what top players use to get ahead. And the best part? These aren't complicated. They're easy steps anyone can follow, even if you're just starting out. With these hacks, you'll unlock free boosts, multiply your items, and finally get those exclusive pets you've been dreaming about. This guide is your complete roadmap to becoming a Grow a Garden Pro in 2025, no matter your current level. We'll cover the latest codes for instant rewards, show you how to automate your gardening, and reveal tips that most players don't even know exist. Forget the old grind. It's time to play smart, relax, and actually enjoy your garden's transformation. These tips will save you hours of time and make the game way more fun and rewarding. Get ready to turn your small patch into a thriving, pet-filled paradise that everyone will admire. I've tested these methods myself. They work right now, and you'll see results fast. By the end, you'll have all the tools you need to unlock rare pets, earn massive rewards, and build your dream garden from the ground up. So let's dive in together and make your garden the envy of the entire server. Your adventure starts now. When I started Grow a Garden, my plot was just dirt. There was nothing but dry soil and a sense of possibility, but also a lot of uncertainty. I remember standing there wondering how I'd ever turn this empty space into something beautiful. I watched others with amazing pets like Candy Blossom and Raccoon, wishing I could join them. Their gardens were full of life, color, and laughter, while mine felt lonely and bare. It seemed like everyone else had a secret I didn't know. I spent hours planting and watering, but progress was slow. Every day I hoped for a breakthrough, but my garden barely changed. It was frustrating to see so little reward for so much effort. Every coin went back into seeds, and my garden stayed plain. I saved up, bought more seeds, and tried again, but the results were always underwhelming. It felt like I was missing something crucial. Special events promised exclusive pets, but I always fell short. No matter how hard I tried, I couldn't seem to earn enough to participate fully or unlock the rarest rewards. Top players seemed to have a secret. They advanced so quickly and their gardens flourished in ways I couldn't explain. I wondered if there was a hidden trick I was missing. One night, searching online, I found a community sharing tips, secret codes, and simple scripts. It was like discovering a hidden world, full of people eager to help each other succeed. Skeptical but desperate, I tried a code for a free luck boost. I didn't expect much, but I figured I had nothing to lose by giving it a shot. It worked. My harvests improved instantly. Suddenly, my plants grew faster and my garden felt more alive. It was the first real progress I'd seen in ages. That small win pushed me to find more codes for free items and coins. I started collecting bonuses I never knew existed, and my garden began to change. Then I discovered scripts, tools that could automate planting and harvesting. These scripts saved me hours and made the game so much more enjoyable. I followed a guide, set up a script, and suddenly my garden grew while I was away. It was like magic. Progress happened even when I wasn't playing. Coins rolled in, upgrades became affordable, and soon I unlocked the Candy Blossom pet. Achievements that once seemed impossible were suddenly within reach. My once empty garden became a thriving paradise, all thanks to these secrets. The transformation was more than just visual, it felt like a whole new game. The transformation was incredible. No more endless grind, just smart play. I finally had time to enjoy my garden and the pets I'd always wanted. If you're stuck, know there's a better way. Codes and scripts can change everything. Don't be afraid to look for help or try something new. Don't give up on your dream garden. Use these tricks and watch your progress skyrocket. Even small changes can make a huge difference over time. The journey from empty plot to pet paradise is possible for anyone. You just need the right tools and a bit of determination. All it takes is the right information and a willingness to try something new. Stay curious and don't be afraid to experiment. Join the community, share tips, and help each other grow. Together, you can achieve so much more than you could alone. With these strategies, you'll unlock pets and upgrades faster than you ever thought possible. The rewards are waiting for you. Your garden's transformation starts now. Take the first step and watch your garden and your confidence grow. Ready for the best part? This is where things get really exciting, and you can take your gameplay to the next level. Here are the secret codes for June 2025, your shortcut to free boosts and items. These codes are like hidden treasures, waiting to be discovered and unlocked by you. These codes give you luck boosts, free event items, and surprise gifts. Every code is a chance to get something special, so don't miss out. Using them is simple. Just open the codes menu, type the code exactly as shown, and hit enter. It only takes a few seconds to unlock awesome rewards. Rewards are instant. No waiting, no hassle. The moment you redeem, your bonuses are ready to use. Top codes right now. Media group. Timer counting down on screen. Digital stopwatch overlay on garden scene. Person checking phone timer at stock at distribute_equally. A 30-minute luck boost, a free Delta event item, a surprise gift, and more exclusive rewards that can pop up at any time, and a 15-minute planting speed boost. These boosts can make a huge difference in your progress. Remember, codes expire fast. Use them as soon as you find them. Set reminders so you never miss out on a reward. Look for the bird icon on your screen to open the code box. Type codes carefully. They're case-sensitive, so double-check before submitting. Once redeemed, boosts and items appear immediately in your account, ready to use whenever you need them most. Use luck boosts when your whole garden is ready to harvest for maximum effect. Timing is everything for the best results. Don't waste boosts on a half-empty garden. Plan ahead. Smart planning means bigger rewards. Strategic code use can double your progress. The more you plan, the more you gain. These codes are your secret weapon. Use them wisely and watch your garden grow faster and fuller than ever before. Stay updated. New codes drop all the time. Keep an eye out for announcements and updates. With the right codes, you'll always be one step ahead. Unlock your garden's full potential and enjoy the rewards. Let's talk about scripts, the ultimate tool for automating your garden. Scripts are small codes that make your character plant, water, and harvest automatically, even when you're away. You don't need to be a coder. Just get a trusted script executor, install it, and launch it with Roblox. Find updated Grow a Garden scripts on community forums. Look for features like auto plant, auto water, and auto harvest. Copy the script, paste it into your executor, and hit run. Instantly, your character starts working for you. Watch your garden flourish and your coins pile up, all hands-free. This is how top players build massive gardens without grinding nonstop. Automation is the secret to fast progress. Always use scripts from trusted sources to stay safe. With scripts, you can finally enjoy the game without the endless grind. Set it up once and let your garden grow, even while you sleep. Welcome to the world of smart gardening. Special events like the Delta event and Summer Festival are your chance to grab rare pets and items. To win, you need a strategy. Timing and boosts are everything. Focus on harvesting as many event crops as possible, fast. Use your luck boost right before a big harvest. Don't waste it on a few plants. Fill your entire garden with event crops, then activate your boost for maximum rewards. Ignore regular plants during events. Go all in on event crops. If you have a script, set it to automate event crop farming. Watch your event currency skyrocket while you do other things. Track event timers and complete quests for extra bonuses. Community goals can give everyone on the server big rewards. Stay active. Combine smart timing, focused planting, and automation to dominate any event. The top prizes are within reach if you play smart. Don't miss out. Plan your sessions and use every boost to its fullest. With the right timing, you'll unlock exclusive pets in no time. Want to multiply your rare items? Try the legendary harvest trick. Here's how. Stand by your most valuable plant, harvest it, and instantly leave the game. Alt plus F4 works best. If timed right, when you rejoin, the item is in your inventory, and the plant is still there, ready to harvest again. Repeat a few times to duplicate rare items or event currency. Timing is everything. Leave too early or too late, and it won't work. Practice on less valuable plants first. A stable internet connection helps. Once you master it, you'll have a powerful tool for boosting your progress. Use this trick wisely. Don't overdo it. It's a game changer for getting ahead fast. Multiply your rewards and watch your garden thrive. Pro players have habits that make a huge difference. Try the minute 37 rule. Many report better luck harvesting at the 37th minute of each hour. Organize your garden in tight grids or rows for faster planting and harvesting. Place storage and selling stations close to your plots to save time. Upgrade your tools, especially your backpack, to reduce trips and speed up your workflow. Prioritize efficiency over aesthetics. Watch for server-wide boosts in chat. When they activate, harvest or sell as much as you can. Being in the right place at the right time can give you a huge advantage. Small changes add up to big results. Play smart, and you'll see your garden outpace the rest. Now it's your turn. What's the best code you've ever used in Grow a Garden? Share your favorite codes and the rewards you got in the comments. Found a new working code for June 2025? Let the community know. Your tips could help someone unlock their dream pet. The Roblox community thrives on sharing. Let's build the ultimate list of active codes together. Your feedback keeps guides like this up to date. Share your best moments and help others grow. I can't wait to read your suggestions. All these codes, scripts, and tricks are about turning your grind into an adventure. With these methods, you'll unlock rare pets like Candy Blossom and Raccoon faster than ever. Your garden will transform from empty to extraordinary. Download a code tracker or guide to stay updated. Links are in trusted Roblox communities. Stay organized and never miss a free reward. This is your moment to level up your Grow a Garden game. Use the codes, try the harvest trick, and automate your garden. You'll be amazed at your progress. Unlocking rare pets is just the beginning. Soon, your garden will be the envy of the server. If you found this guide helpful, like and subscribe for more Roblox tips. Get ready to become a true gardening master.